Okay guys, I'm in an Audi A6 Prestige 2013. This is a video made in response to the buzzing noise, the mechanical noise that a lot of you have been reporting on the online forums. I'm going to demonstrate what is making the sound. Okay, I'm going to point it at the rear wheel. And then I'm going to hit stop engine. I don't know if you heard that or not. I'm going to do it one more time. This time I'm going to click this button right here. That's our electronic parking brake button. Watch. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to turn it off. Oh, I got to press on the brake. My fault. Here we go. And now I'm going to turn the engine off. Now, what I'm convinced is making that noise is actually the cycling on and off of your electronic parking brake. I'm convinced it's not the fuel pump, because the fuel pump should not make that much noise. Alright guys, tell me what you think. Until next time, Alex Chu reporting in.